Hello everyone. In last lecture I started concept of regression analysis using two variables x and y which were sales and advertisement expenditure. Now in this lecture we will see concept of least square method and how to find y on x and x on y regression lines on the basis of least square method. So we are studying this question for least square method. We are focusing on this first method, first one, least square method, and we will find first relationship for sales on advertisement expenditure and advertisement expenditure on sales. So for relationship y on x means sales on advertisement expenditure, this is y on x, and for second relationship advertisement expenditure on sales, this is x on y, and the relationship based on this y on x and x on y is y is equal to a plus bx, and for this second one this is x is equal to c plus dy. In question we have given this x value as 25 and you need to find y, but we don't have a and b, and for this second one x is equal to c plus dy, we need to find x. This means this value when x is equal to y is equal to 45. So in this case we don't have c and d, so for first one we need to find a and b, for second one we need to find c and d. So firstly we will consider these equation, this equation y is equal to a plus bx as equation number 1, and this second equation x is equal to c plus dy we will consider as equation number 2. And to find these two a and b and c and d, so to find two variables, or we can say these constant a plus b, you need at least two equations. As we need to find two things, so we must have two equations, and these two equations are called normal equations, and these are two normal equations, and these normal equations are based on summation of all these things. So first, just like y, summation y, this is a for all observations. Suppose there are 6 observations, so we can write 6a, as there are n observations, so we can write na, and this is known as b, summation x, and then we will multiply in this equation of x, then you will get this second equation. So basically we need to learn these two equations for regression analysis. I am not explaining how we can derive these equations. So this equation is considered as equation number a, and this second is considered as equation number b, and in same way you will have equation for c and d. This is considered as c, and this equation is considered as d. Now we need to put all these values of summation y, summation x by x and x square in these two equations, then we can find value of a and b. On getting a and b, we will put these values of a and b in equation first, then you will get relationship, and we will do the same task for x is equal to c plus dy. Okay, so for these two normal equation set, first is this one, second is this one, we need summation y, summation x. So as we have this table of x and y, so we have already done this calculation of summation x, this is summation x, and this is summation y, and in these equation we need summation x square, summation y square also. So we have column for summation x square, I have calculated already, and I have this summation y square, and one more thing we need summation xy for both. So I have already calculated this summation xy. So we have two columns x and y. Square of x column is square, this is 2, then this is 4, and square of y, and this is 10, so this will become 100, and this is the product of x and y, this means multiplication of this and this, 2 into 10 is 20, and then summation. So we have all these values. Now we will put all these values from the equation. So in this side we are solving for a and b, we are working for A and B. So first this equation A. So from equation A we are putting values. So summation y is equal to 90. So we will put 90 here, and this is NA. Here number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 observations are there. So we will put 5A plus this is what B summation x. Summation x is 55. So we will write this as 55B. And second equation summation xy is 1197, and A summation x is equal to 55. So this is 55A, and second is B summation x square. So summation x square is 793. This is B. Now we will solve these two simultaneous equations by cancellation method or substitution method. Then you will see value of A and value of B. You can solve these two equations, simultaneous equation, and you will get value of A as 5.89 and value of B as 1.1. And for second equation also, for this summation x and c, the value of summation x is 55. Now we are doing this from C, and this second is from equation B. So from equation C, we are doing this from equation C. So in equation C, summation x is equal to 55. So we will put 55 here, equals to n. N is number of odd pairs. This is 5 for this case. And you need to find C, and D you need to find. Summation y is 90. So this becomes 90y. And now from second, from equation D. From equation D, summation xy is equal to this 1197, and this is C summation y. Summation y is 90. So this is 90C plus D summation y square. Summation y square is 1892y. Now we will solve these two equations simultaneously. So on solving these two equations, you will see value of C and D. So value of C, you will see this as minus 4.4, and value of D is what? Value of D is 8.6 on solving these two equations. So I am writing on solving. So on solving this also. So now we will put these value of A and B in equation first. Equation first is this, y is equal to A plus bx. I am copying this one. From equation first. So this become what? This become y equals to A plus bx, and A is equal to what? 5.89, and B is what? B is 1.1 into x. So this is the required relationship for sales on the basis of advertisement. Relation for y on x, which is a relation for y on x. Now in same way we will find relation for x on y. So we will put these values in equation 2. So from 2 means this equation x is equal to c plus dy. I will copy this equation. So I am putting values. So x is equal to c. C is equal to minus 4.4. So we will put minus 4.4 plus d into y. So d is 0.86 and multiplied by y. So this is the form of x on y. Which is relationship for x on y. We are using least square method. Now the second part. First, by using least square method, and also find sales when advertisement expenditure is of 25, and find advertisement expenditure when sales target is 25. Okay, so for this first case, we will put x is equal to 25 in this equation, and for second part, when target sale is of 45, we will put y is equal to 45. So on putting these values, you will see this as y equals to 5.89 plus 1.1 into x, and x is equal to what? 25. So on solving this equation, you will see the value of y as 33.41. This means if you have x is equal to 25, this means advertisement expenditure, then you will see the sale of 33.41. In same way for second, we will put y is equal to 45 in this. So this become what? X is equal to minus 4.4 plus 0.86 into y, and y is equal to what? 45. So on solving this, you will see this x is equal to 34.1. So this means if we have y is equal to 45, then sales is what? 34.1. So this is overall concept of least square method, in which we can find y on x relationship, x on y relationship, and then we can find exact value. So I hope this is clear, and in next lecture I will explain how to find regression equations using deviation method. So please like this video and subscribe my channel Ganit Coach. Have a nice day. Thank you.